We live in an amazing time. All around us, machines are doing incredible things. They can recommend your next favorite movie, understand your voice commands, and even drive cars on their own. How do they do it? The answer is machine learning. Machine learning is like teaching a computer to learn from experience. It's different from traditional programming where we tell the computer exactly what to do. Instead, we feed the computer lots of data and let it figure out the patterns and rules on its own. Think about it like this. Imagine teaching a child to ride a bike. You wouldn't give them a long list of instructions. Instead, you let them practice, fall down, and learn from their mistakes. That's similar to how machine learning works. Machine learning is everywhere, even if we don't realize it. It's helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier. It's helping banks prevent fraud. And it's even helping us discover new planets in the vast universe. Let's compare traditional programming with machine learning. Imagine you want to make a program to sort apples and oranges. In traditional programming, you'd write specific rules. If the fruit is round and red, it's an apple. If it's round and orange, it's an orange. But what if you get a green apple? The program wouldn't know what to do. Machine learning takes a different approach. We show the computer thousands of pictures of apples and oranges labeled correctly. The computer learns from these examples, identifying patterns and features that distinguish apples from oranges. Now, even if you show it a green apple or an oddly shaped orange, it can still classify it correctly. It has learned the essence of what makes an apple and an orange. How does this magic happen? Machine learning follows a simple three-step process: data, train, and predict. Think about how your email inbox filters spam. First, it gathers data by analyzing thousands of emails labeled as spam or not spam. It looks for patterns like suspicious subject lines, sender addresses, and message content. Next, it trains a model using this data. Imagine the model as a filter that learns to identify spam based on the patterns it has observed. It adjusts its filtering rules based on how well it identifies spam emails. Finally, when a new email arrives, the trained model makes a prediction. It analyzes the email's characteristics and decides whether it's spam or not, based on what it has learned. Section 4. Different flavors of machine learning. Just like there are different ways to learn, there are different types of machine learning. One type is supervised learning, just like our spam filter example. We give the machine labeled data, and it learns to predict the label for new data. Another type is unsupervised learning. Here we don't give the machine any labels. We let it explore the data and find patterns on its own. For example, it can help group customers with similar buying habits. Finally, there's reinforcement learning. Think of training a dog with rewards and punishments. The machine learns by interacting with an environment and receiving feedback for its actions, just like a dog learning a new trick. Section 5. Machine learning in our everyday lives. Machine learning is not science fiction. It's already transforming our lives in countless ways. Remember those movie recommendations you get on Netflix? That's machine learning at work. It analyzes your viewing history and suggests movies you might enjoy based on your preferences. When you ask Siri or Alexa a question, machine learning helps them understand your voice commands and respond accurately. It's like having a personal assistant who's always learning and getting better. Self-driving cars use machine learning to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and make decisions in real time. It's like having a car that can see, think, and react faster than any human driver. These are just a few examples of how machine learning is shaping our world. As we continue to generate more data and develop more powerful algorithms, the possibilities are truly limitless.